is not over, because after the Red Cups we've got a fantastic DJ. Are you all still in the mood for a party? You lot are crazy down here at the front, aren't you? You are crazy. You've enjoyed yourselves, haven't you? Right, okay, I'm not too sure. Okay, let's see. Would you like one more? The crowd.
Do you know
is
what?
spoken.
We did not prepare for this.
Sorry guys, sorry.
That's okay.
It's your fault guys, it's your fault. So come on then, one more time, let's show your appreciation. We didn't plan for this. Let's hear it for the Red Caps!
God, you guys are hard. I don't know if you've seen us before, but we have not got a regular drummer. We've got a fill-in, but this guy is fucking insane. So give it up for Dak Vaughan on the drums. So, which makes it really, really difficult, because when we've only learnt a certain amount of songs and you guys go, more! I'm like, shit, we don't know any! So we're going to give it our best. God knows how this is going to go, but I want to see the whole of Teignmouth lose their shit.